Clouds cut deep on the morning misty ground. When the dust kicks up, one day I'm heaven bound. A robin sings on the rusted gate. God's mercy whispers, it's never too late. Grace like rainfall, steady and true, washing my heart, making yesterday new. Through the doubt, through the storm, your love keeps me safe, keeps me warm. The church bell rings down the valley wide. Mama's voice echoes, Daddy's with him. The preacher says there's work to be done, but the real fight's won by the rising sun. In the still of the night, I kneel and pray. Thank you, Lord, for another day. Grace like rainfall, steady and true, washing my heart, making it new. Through the doubt, through the storm, your love keeps me safe, keeps me warm. The river may dry, love's rain wash us new. Faith plants roots where the soul won't die. Your hand guides me, I'll never stray. Walking the path, us together in an eternal day.